Hi, this is card number 10. This is the final card of this kit, and I hope you have enjoyed putting these together. I'm glad to see you made it through card number 9. Anyway, so let me just put this together. This is a really simple one for you. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our DSP. Let me get my paper cutter out here. And so according to the instructions, we're going to cut it 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. So 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. Okay, and you should have plenty of this paper. You have a whole pack of it, so you should have had plenty of this paper to get you all the way through the whole kit. So then on the inside, you have a piece of 4 1/4 by 4 by 5 1/4 white cardstock, and that's going to go on the inside. And this card does open in a different fashion, so don't be surprised. Okay, and then on the front, we're just going to layer these layers together. And I love this back of this paper. Its green is just so beautiful. And we're leaving about an 1/8 of an inch, an 1/8 of an inch all the way around. It's a 1/4 of an inch difference in the two sizes. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp with Gorgeous Grape on this Whisper White little stitched scallop shape that came from Stitch So Sweetly from the dies. And I'm going to use You Make Me Smile, just to send a card to someone that makes you smile, that you want to make them smile. So, and just like that, this is a really simple card. You could make a lot of these cards really quick and easy. So, sorry about that. Then we're going to attach this to our next size up rectangle here that also came from Stitch So Sweetly. And then these are going to get attached to the card front with dimensionals. So I'll go ahead and put the dimensionals on here. And I think this looks upside down. Much better. And this is going to go, oh, I didn't do my ribbon first. Let's get our ribbon on there first. So you have a roll of this sheer Gorgeous Grape ribbon. And let me grab some adhesive here. And I'm just going to run it down the sides here. And just wrap it around the middle. Ah, getting caught here. My watch keeps going off. I don't know what that's about. Round table pizza. Okay, we'll skip that one. Okay, so then I'm going to tie a bow with my ribbon. We are going to do a bow tying class coming up real soon here. We'll do it on Zoom so everybody can ask questions and so we can practice together. So get yourself a ribbon that you really like, that's easy to tie. And I will get that information out real soon, and we will do a bow tying class, because I know many of you are having to tie your own bows now. So, okay, so I'm going to turn that over, and I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the adhesive on here and attach this to my card front so that I don't get it stuck on something else. And there's a large margin between these. I left a good size. I like the gorgeous scrape and I wanted it to show. So, and then this bow is going to go over to the left here, and I'm going to put that on with glue dots. Just like that. I want to come in a little ways, but not too far because I don't want to run into my greeting there. And just slip my greeting kind of under my bow and center it on top of it. And that is about as crooked as it can come, huh? Okay, it's going to stay there because it's already there. Well, maybe by putting my little flower up there in the corner, it will help. So I'm just going to get a little glue here to put my flower on. And just a little dab of glue there. Stick that little flower right on there. And then I'm going to, you should have a rhinestone in your packet as well. And it's just going to go right on there. And that is card number 10. Easy as can be there. So I hope you've enjoyed this set, this group. The next class is black and white. Black and white with a pop of color is coming out soon. And actually it may end up coming out before this one does, depending on backorder situations. And so keep your eyes open. I'm putting out a class every 10 days roughly. And so keep your eyes open and pick the one that you like. So thank you for joining me and for supporting me in this. And if there's anything, any questions you have or anything that you need, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can reach me through stampwithdeb.com, or you probably all have my email address. I'm sure if you're taking this class, you have my email address. Thanks again. Bye-bye.